Welcome to Digibionic Hearing Center. If you're having trouble hearing, a hearing test is the first step toward better hearing health. Let me walk you through the process. 1. Initial consultation. We start by discussing your health history. We will ask about ear infections, tinnitus, noise exposure, and any medications that could affect your hearing. You'll also talk about any hearing challenges you're facing, like trouble hearing in noise or understanding speech. 2. Visual inspection, otoscopic exam. Next, we will check your outer ear and ear canal with a tool called an otoscope. This helps identify any issues like earwax buildup, infections, or other physical problems. 3. Hearing test. Then comes the main part of the test. You'll wear headphones and listen to beeps at different pitches. You'll raise your hand or press a button when you hear a sound. We also do bone conduction testing to see if the problem is in the inner ear or outer middle ear. 4. Review and recommendations. Finally, we will review your test results, explain your hearing loss, and discuss next steps. Whether it's monitoring your hearing, fitting you with hearing aids, we'll guide you every step of the way. 5. Hearing aid evaluation. If hearing loss is detected, we will discuss hearing aid options tailored to your needs and lifestyle. They may take ear impressions for custom-fit hearing aids. 6. Hearing aid trial and fitting. Once we've chosen the right hearing aid, you'll try it out in real-life situations. We'll fine-tune the settings to ensure the best sound quality. 7. Purchasing. If you're ready to move forward, we'll help you choose the right hearing aid based on your preferences and budget. We offer a variety of models and payment options to make your purchase as convenient as possible. Digibionic Hearing Center, we're here to help you hear better. Don't wait. Schedule your hearing test today and take the first step to a clearer, more vibrant world of sound.